So recently, I was looking into minimalist browsers, not Shilion or aka Brave or Firefox aka Firefox. I was just getting bored. I wanted less bloat, so I was looking into minimalist browsers. Nothing special, just minimalist. But then I stumbled upon Qutebrowser. So what are the advantages of Qutebrowser? The advantages are it has a great community, so you have questions most likely already answered. If you need them answered, they have a IRC channel and a subreddit. So just answer those because it's constantly stuff needs to be asked because you might have questions how to make it emulate your older web browser. It also, you can add functionality to it that it previously did not have, such as in order to, why isn't it taking? Let me just go for it. So just navigating basics, like if you press O, then you're changing the URL bar basically. It has Vim key bindings. So 4channel.org. So see, it's not the fastest web browser in the world, but it's not that bad. It gets shamed because well, it's written in Python and other stuff, but it still works. So I've added this ability to download images. It's really nice. You just have to click on the image, not the binding. The Vim key binding is really nice. So now how about configuring it? So I use, again, Shift O, you open a new browser tab. So I use DT's configs. So I went to yolab.com/dbt1/.files. I'll do this one. So you go to this .files, go to the .config, go to Qutebrowser. Then you should find his config. So he doesn't do much, but he just that's what I used. So in this Qutebrowser, he has two files, your quick marks and your config.py. You don't really need the quick marks. You just set it up yourself. You don't need his. So just use the config.py. So copy this. Copying a newsbook is a bit strange. So Shift G, I'm going down the page. Then Shift, I'm going here. So you want to do V. Now we're in caret selection mode. Y. So I just yank those characters and just go. Yeah, so that's what I had to figure out once. Yeah, and it works. Okay, so once you got those, ignore this. So what you're gonna need is your .config. You have to create a Qutebrowser. I don't understand why it doesn't just do this by when you install it. It should be in all your repos. It's fine. So once you're in there, you want these. Qutebrowser will open. When you open it, it'll generate. But there are 3 files that I created. So config.py is the most important. That's where you want to paste the contents of what you found. This is the customization. This is how it accepts cookies. This is just like all the basics of the browser are basically put here. How I added that functionality to download images, that's how I did it. I used the config.py. Blocked hosts, it's probably not useful for you, but I just used it so I can block cringe sites like youtube.com. Quick marks, it's kind of like bookmarks, kind of. But you can have more functionality. You can really quickly press O or Shift O. You press your key binding that you need it to, but let's focus on config.py. So once you go here, just go completely down. So I just want to basically all that DT does here is he does some customization to background. You can obviously change this. He does show the search engine, so you want to change the search engine to not be DuckDuckGo. I need to change it. I'm just putting it behind myself. And he does all this for searching the wiki, searching the ARC wiki. Really nice. And just plenty of other things like how the basic stuff is set in the browser. So just go down a page. I'm going to point out these bindings that is added. So all of these are his. Like this is his. This is so you can put in themes. There's CSS themes. Got it from here, and then you just download it, put the place where it's located, and then on the fly you can change it to the Groovebox theme. Like when a site is not in dark mode. That's a really nice feature. This is also for if you want to show tabs, if you don't want to show tabs, if you want to show the status bar, some other them. That's what that's for. Then here is stuff that I've added and stuff that he's added. So I added zoom in and zoom out. That's very useful. I don't understand why you wouldn't want that on a web page. So using PV, you can play video links. So it's like kind of like Qutebrowser has like a hint system where it can assess links and different properties on a page and give you that URL, then you can link a program to it. It's kind of like Newsboat in other ways, but that's just what it reminds me of. And there's Shift Z to DL. I'm not sure what this is, but just ignore it. This one I added before. It's the image download. I found this on the subreddit. Very useful. So that's it. Just copy and delete the config that it generates and just use DTs. Like that way everything works. Then your quick marks, just chug it with your bookmarks pretty much. And basically, instead of saying 4channel.org/G, instead I just break 4G or Amazon or Discord. So it's really simple. So then in your blocked host, I'm saying you need file names because you have to create a name. Just look at the bottom here. I'm saying to block cringe sites like YouTube.com. So let's go into actual functionality of the browser. So it's pretty much just Vim based. And there are cheat sheets online. Qutebrowser cheat sheet. So if you're curious on how to do something, you'll most likely find it online. Issues there. I really dislike that to go. What are some little things? You don't have to use the mouse, though copying and pasting has to be done with the mouse. I cannot find any way to do it without the mouse. Well, copying I showed you. If you use the V caret mode, then you can do without the mouse, but pasting I don't know how can you do without the mouse. R to reload web pages. To see one of the things that gets changed for the written Python, just rewrite in better language if that's a concern to you. It's not that bad, but I mean, that way it would be more competitive towards other browsers. It's really nice. So Shift J, Shift K, move back and forth, and it works. D to delete. Shift H to go backward. I would say it's my main browser. I don't need anything more. Let me show you those hotkeys in action. I showed you the image. I'll show the video with MPV. So let's go to odyssey.com. Let's go there. So yeah, sometimes it's a bit annoying, but it's not because I have bad internet. So Shift M, let's just do GS, and it'll open up DistroTube's video. No issues there. This takes a second. Same thing like if you use YouTube, it's convenient because it knows the ads. That's nice. And also you can download thumbnails from here. There's plenty of stuff to be taken advantage of here that you don't have in other browsers. So maybe for most people that consume the web more than I do, you'd want maybe to use this like in a script possibly, and not in your main browser because it's a bit slow as I just showed. And if your work is done in the web browser, then yeah, I guess you have to deal with it. So it's just a better alternative. Nix is another alternative, but you have to build out from the ground up. So Qutebrowser, I believe, is a mix of a browser for neckbeards and a browser for regular people. So I would say it needs to be taken advantage of more. And it's just a good browser. It needs to be used more. So that was the end of the video. Bye. I hope you have a nice day. Keep safe.